What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are gonna see how to add zoom in and out effect in CapCut. So to do that, let's head over to CapCut application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your account and then head over to video, and here you'll find several options in here. So just tap on the effects option, and here as you can see I already have an effect in here. If I want to delete it, what I will do is just to tap on delete and go to video effects and then just write zoom in and out. Here there are several zoom in and out effects, so I'm going to try this mini zoom option. So tap on cancel, tap on the tick mark on the right, and here if I play my video, as you can see there is a zoom in and out effect. So you can try this effect too on your CapCut video on edits, and yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.